Hey guys, I just want to give you a very quick tip. You clicked on this video, so you probably want to know how to constrain your mouse to one monitor while maybe you're gaming or doing any kind of thing which doesn't have the option to mouse constrain. And here's a quick tip that I recently discovered. Very easy, don't need to download anything. Right-click your desktop, go to Display Settings, and you can actually reposition these monitors right here. So you can see here I've got two monitors, and if I mouse over to the left, you'll see it does go over to the next monitor. You can't see the other monitor right now, but that's what it's doing. And in a lot of games, it's sort of stuck there. So here's what you do. You can reposition the left monitor to just be way higher up here. And then when you apply that, it refreshes the displays. And now if you move the mouse to the left, it doesn't go, right? There's no way for your mouse to reach your second monitor. It is completely unreachable. So very quick fix. You're playing a game, there's no mouse constraint, that sucks. You can do this. And once you're done, all you do is bring the monitor back down, apply, and it refreshes, and then the mouse can go over to the second screen again. So I hope this tip really helped you out. Remember, right-click desktop, display settings. You need to play something now. You can't find the software to constrain your mouse to the screen. Just do that. It's easy, it's quick, it's simple. You don't have to look around for any kind of downloads or anything like that. And when I saw that tip, it just blew my mind. So I hope this helps you guys as well.